The Philippines is rapidly transforming into a serious middle power in Southeast Asia. With 4 new offshore patrol vessels, 2 additional HDF 3200 frigates, and 6 AW-159 anti-submarine helicopters arriving soon, Manila is steadily closing the gap with more advanced regional armed forces. This isn't just about new hardware. It's about securing sea lanes, protecting territorial claims, and strengthening deterrence in an increasingly tense Indo-Pacific region. Can the Philippines emerge as a key security player in the South China Sea? Follow for more defense and geopolitical updates.